In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Today I am going to show you some birds here that have come here to drink water. In this hot weather, these birds are always in search of water. Because food and water is also the need of these birds, and in hot weather it is difficult for these birds to find water somewhere. They are always in search of water. I have just made this water flow in this grass, and these birds are coming and drinking water. Now see these sparrows. These are searching food also. This sparrow has a worm in its beak. Yes, this is gone. Other birds will come when they see water. But sometimes these small birds, they are afraid of splash of water because it makes noise and they fly away. And there's and sparrows. And then I was searching for food also. And then I was trying to drink water. They are afraid of the voice of the splashing water. Look, these birds are very happy. They are taking bath and they are enjoying water. A crow has come to drink water. But other birds seem to be afraid of the crow.
The crow has flown back without drinking water. Now there are sparrows and nightingales here. The nightingales are skipping to the deep water. They will surely take a bath. See how they are trying to dive, but the water is not deep enough to dive. One has gone, the other doesn't want to skip a chance to dive. Just another has darted to join the bath. Now it is making the most of the opportunity. They are coming by intervals. The weather is extremely hot today. I also feel happy to see these birds enjoying. They are coming, taking bath and going back in the trees. After checking bath, they go back for getting dry and come again. The air is also blowing, but the weather is hot. I am very happy to see these birds drinking water and taking bath. I am very happy to see these birds drinking water and taking bath. They are really beautiful. It is my humble advice to all of you to arrange water for these birds. Flow water in the grass in the hot weather so that these birds may drink. Keep some pot or dish full of water on the walls of your houses or in the garden under the trees. If you make the birds happy, you will be rewarded by God. Trees, plants, flowers, and birds are the beauty of the nature. The beautiful chattering and singing sounds of these birds break the dreadful silence. Please take care of birds. You might be taking care of your pets. take care of the birds that live near your houses and in the gardens. It doesn't matter if you don't give them food or give them water. It is difficult for these birds to find water in the hot weather. They are sometimes found sitting near the taps looking for water. They can't find clean water in the fields because most of the water is contaminated. People use pesticides and herbicides in their fields, mixing them in water. So if the birds drink their polluted water, they die. The water that flows out of factories is also contaminated. The water of the clean. How can these birds drink the water that is dangerous to them? Let us do something for their survival. We can make the nature look more beautiful to us by planting new trees and plants and saving the beautiful species of birds. Let us make them survive. Let us make them happy. Let us make them sing for themselves and for us. Let us be part of this beautiful nature. God has created it for us. Let us keep it neat and clean. Look, these birds, how happy they are. Let us arrange some water for them. I think my message has been conveyed to you. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Do comment to let me know about this. Thank you for watching.